All right, today we're going to have a look at a Brown & Sharpe. This is a small, compact cylindrical grinder, a universal cylindrical grinder. This is a model 13, Brown & Sharpe number 13, universal tool and grinding machine. So, this currently is wired for 220 volts. Takes a grinding wheel, 7-inch diameter grinding wheel with a 1.25-inch bore. It's like the grinding wheels you'd use on a surface grinder. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Spindle's nice and quiet. Now, everything can be worked with this by hand. You have a hand wheel here that has a 2 ratios, much finer as opposed to coarse, and then you have neutral position in the middle. Your in-feed is here, and if you lock down the knob here, you have a fine feed dial. Tailstock, this is able to go up and down, and you could put some tool grinding equipment on here, and that's why they call it a tool grinder also, for this ability for the wheel head to go up and go down. You've got an adjustment over here for table swivel. You've got a nice scale over here for swiveling the table. This whole slide can be rotated around. It has a nice compound. The headstock is also got a swivel on it, plus different speeds by changing the belts. Now to start the workhead, we lift this lever up here, and you see we have this. Now right now this is set up for grinding between centers, although there's no centers in it, but you would put your center in there and put your center in here, and your part would be rotated and driven by this driver here off of the dog that you'd mount on your part. Inside here is the taper. Now there's different options for the front of this available maybe on eBay. Possibly we might have some stuff also available for this, other accessories. But you could have a faceplate on here, you could have a 3-jaw, 4-jaw chuck, a lot of stuff. But this is a special accessory on here right now, made to have the spindle not turning. The spindle is locked right now by a pin in the back, and only this outer drum is rotating. So this outer drum actually has a bearing in it so that it can spin like that. Whereas if you had a chuck on there, you would have the entire spindle rotating, or the faceplate. Next, we pull up and we start to feed. Now this is a mechanical feed. There's an electric motor and there's a lot of gearing. You have several different speeds that you could go into, the high speed, the low speed. This is even slower. You have a total of 6 different speeds. 3 speeds high and 3 speeds low. Okay, over on the side here we have a little coolant pump and a little tank. It's really all you need. Somebody went and made a nice stainless steel splash guard on here so that whatever water comes off this table drains directly into this cast iron pan. This has got a nice rubber thing wrapped around it, so all the water is going to end up in here. It's a pretty nice setup. And then the water goes down the pipe and into your tank. Of course, you can get a different tank if you'd like from MSC or one of those kind of places. Overall, this is a really nice looking machine, very quiet, in great condition. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.